What's up, my people? What's up? What's up? What's up? I don't know if. Woo, let me set my my tripod stand well so that we can have a nice session. Oh shit! Same of the last minute. So I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I know it is what it is. So guys, only one person. That's fine. Let me just alert people in the group. Uh, guys, we are live. Oof. Okay. I have some good connection. Tony, thanks for passing by. Give me some likes. You have any questions before we continue? Any questions? I don't have to have this right here. Possible. Guys, I'm trying to set up the camera, so don't worry. Everything is gonna be okay right now. Everything's gonna be okay. Wow. If you're seeing something, just let me know. Yeah, okay. If you can see that clearly, let me just brighten up the screen a little bit. Hopefully you're going to see now. Can you see well? Kenya best. Welcome everyone. Can everyone see my screen clearly? Can everyone see my screen clearly? Guys, talk to me. Naona screen yangu fiti. So today I just want to talk about this is what we call TradingView, tradingview.com. TradingView. Woof. Wow, today is gonna be a rough day. Today is gonna be a rough day. My stand is misbehaving. But you know, it is what it is. Right. Yeah, I think that's pretty much fine. So let me invite everyone. Let me just close this up. cancelled. So guys, you can feel free to invite your friends. We are here to talk about technical analysis, how you analyze charts. You can see this a chart, and it's a Bitcoin chart. This is how the chart looks. On top here, you can see we have different time frames. We have the weekly, which is the W. We have the daily. We have the 4 hours. We have the 1 hour, 5 minutes, even 1 minute. So to check the long-term viability of the chart, let's go to the weekly. There is even monthly. You can go to a month and see how Bitcoin has been performing uh, month by month. So this little boxes right here or rectangles, they are called candlesticks. And candlesticks, if you're in the monthly time frame, that means one candlestick represents a month. When you go to the weekly time frame, the same chart, but you see now one candlestick represents like this one represents weekly how that coin performed in a week. So you can see right here, Bitcoin went to all-time high at $64,000. Then it tanked. So in 1 week, Bitcoin moved from 58,000 to 44,000. Then the following week, it moved from 46,000 to 30,000. You see how fast crypto markets dump? That's why it's considered a very volatile industry or asset class. So you have to be very careful. And you can see even with the pumps now, this weekly candlestick right here. Okay, yeah, this weekly candlestick right here represents how Bitcoin pumped in that week. So you can see from 40K to 48K. That's how fast it pumps. You can see right now in this week only we have moved from that 63 to $69,000. That's a gain of $6,000, and you can see the week is not yet over. So once the week is over, it's gonna close, and then you get to another candlestick, and that's how the chart basically is. And you can see pumping is in blue. That means the market is rising and people are making money. And when it dumps, it's denominated in red. That means what wananyorosha kitu. So you can see here I have some, I have some what we call signals. I give this in my Telegram group. So if you're not in my Telegram group, check my link in the bio, in my bio, and see um, see what's going on. See what's going on. So you can see here I have an entry at 58K, 62K. This is the entry that I gave my people. This was I think a week or two ago, and Bitcoin was just consolidating right here. And you can see if you had bought that when I told you right now you have let's see, let's take the measuring tool. I don't know where it is. Measuring tool. So you have been up 15%. 15% is not bad. So let me just take you through trading view. If you don't have trading view, I hope you guys have trading view. You guys have trading view in your laptops or PCs, because you need trading view. If you don't have it even in your phone, there is an app. It's a very good platform to do analysis if you want to be a trader. Guys, please show me some love, give me some likes so that more people can join the live, so much more people can learn. And if you have any questions, make sure you tag, you put them down there. Make sure if you want to be a guest, just request the blue and red button, ask questions, make suggestions. That's why we're here. So, uh, as you can see, this is trading view. Just come and search on your browser trading view. It's very easy. Trading view, it will give you this chart, and you can see there's there's a free version, there's a paid version. So if you feel like you have the money, of course, when you start being a professional trader and you're making good money, just upgrade because you will avoid the ads and all that. It gives you more options to set alerts on prices if you want to, and that's basically the upgraded version. Just gives you more options. So just come here to the chart, and then once you come to the chart, it will take you directly to the charts. You can see uh, right on the side here, on the right side, right here, I have my watch list. Watch list basically the coins that I watch. You can see there's BTC, Ethereum, there's BTC dominance, Infinity, and I'll be going through all that in a few. So for now, let me just take you through the basics because a lot of people might want to know how to use these apps. Now, one on the far right here, you can see this column right here. This column is basically the column for shortcuts for your tools. So you can see in my chart, it's very dirty. I have a lot of things put there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove it. Just come here to this button top below here and delete everything. So this is a Bitcoin chart, as you can see on a weekly time frame, on a daily time frame, which means each candlestick represents 1 day. So today, if you zoom inside, let me just put it on full screen. If we zoom, well, you can see today only, Bitcoin has moved from 66,000 to 69. That's a $3,000, $3,000 pump, and of course, even the alts are pumping because Bitcoin is the mother of all crypto. Okay, if Bitcoin pumps, other coins pump. If it dumps like this right here, all the others dump even harder. So if this was a 10% drop, the others drop 20, 30, 40, 50%. Okay, so now how do you now do analysis? Because you would love to know how to analyze when to buy, when to sell, and you always advise buy the red, sell the green. What does that mean? That means that when coins are dumping like this, you come and buy right here when it is in the red. Okay, in this candlestick when it is in the red, and you see why you want to buy here and not here. Okay, in a few. I will show you that in a few. And then once it comes, you sell. You don't buy here. This is not the right time to buy. Wait for pullbacks like this. Let's see, like right here. If you would have bought here, you would have made all this money up to here. Then if you bought here, you would have faced the dump first, probably get liquidated. Liquidated is your money got gets finished. It's small. Then the price comes back again. So if you got liquidated, you won't enjoy this. But if you have enough money and you survive this dump, then well and good. So right now it's not a good time to buy Bitcoin because it's in the green right now. So what do? Wait for dumps. And I'm just going to show you now how to do some basic analysis. So in a chart we have zones. We have zones, what we call zones, and zones are basically psychological levels where people buy and where people sell the most. And you see the market, what the chart shows us, chart only shows us the market sentiment. What are people doing right now in the market? Are people selling and people buying? Okay. So how do you identify zones? Zones, we have two zones. Let me just use the type T type zones. We have two zones. We have resistance. We have resistance right there. Let me make it bigger. We have resistance. And then we have what we call support. So let me just make this okay. So what is resistance and what is support? Resistance is basically this is a very good example of resistance. See, price was coming in this region. Let me take another tool here, which is called rectangular tool. This is where you get your tools. Okay, anything you want to do, you want to draw a rectangle surface. So you see this zone, price comes, boom, it drops. Right? Price comes here, tries to break out, boom, it drops. Price comes here, tries to break out, boom, it drops. Comes here again, tries to break out, boom, it drops. That's what we call a resistance. And a resistance is basically that. Price tries to persist, but there's a very strong resistance pulling it backward. And in this case, in this scenario, this is where this is where we say we have a selling pressure. So resistance is basically selling pressure. People want to sell their coins. People who, you can see this all right. People who bought down here want to sell now their coins. They have gotten to the point where, I have enough profits, let me sell. So you can see right here, people who bought Bitcoin at 10,000, when it got to 60,000, they want to sell. And you see this just last year, October. And now this is April this year. So people who held their coins from October from 10,000 to 60,000, these guys want to sell. They want to make some profit. So this area is called resistance. And if you elongate this rectangle right here, you see the area of resistance repeats itself from history to the present. And you can see this where we are right now. We are here in November. So price to break out of this resistance zone, there has to be a lot of buying pressure. So at this point, we had a lot of there was a lot of selling pressure, buying pressure. But now you can see price finally broke the resistance and we are off, taking off to a new all-time high. What does this mean? This means that now buyers are in control and probably price is gonna go higher and higher. So guys, if you feel like you are getting any value, please show me some love, give me some like, share so that people can learn as well. Learn together. Okay. So that is resistance. Have you understood resistance? If you have any questions, please show up. Alex Maina, karibu sana. Thanks for the support as always. So share so that everyone can come along and we learn. So right here, this is the other zone. Let me just change the color of this zone so that it's different. Okay. So now this is our support. What does support mean? Support means now is when there is there is buying pressure. Let me just type this out. Buying pressure. I want you to understand how the market works. So support is when there is buying pressure. And then when there is resistance, that means there is selling pressure. More people want to sell their coins rather than buy. Okay. So here, right here, we have selling pressure, and that's why you see price drop huge. And then right here down, we have our support. Support is where now price comes, and you can see here, price comes, drops, boom, buyers buy, become many in the market, price drops. Price comes here back again, pumps down. Price drops again in a pump drops again, then boom, it goes, all it goes. These are very strong support zone. That means a lot of people are buying on these zones. And at this point, you don't want to be selling. Take unauza hii time. See, when the market is dumping, when you sell at this zone, you get liquidated. Why? Because now there's a lot of buying pressure. And when people who bought here, when they come here, they're gonna want to release some of their coins because previously this was a strong resistance zone. So watu watataka kuuza coins zao. So ndio maana unaona hapa kumekuwa na a lot of liquidity. But at the same time, because we are still in a bull run, buyers have shown their strength and they have made sure that they have passed through that, and probably we're gonna see the coins go even higher, the price going higher and higher. So that's just basic, okay? And we can find support and resistance zone very easily in the chart. So let's just zoom out from that. Let's look at scenario somewhere else, just to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's take our rectangle again. Come here. You see right here. Now, this is a very strong resistance zone. Very, very strong resistance zone. You can see price comes here, boom, drops. People sell. Price tries to come back here, boom, drops. Price tries to come back here, boom. Sellers are very strong on this zone. This is a resistance zone. Then, when you come right down here, see right here, don't go this down, right here. You have to, how, the only way you identify support and resistance zone if you have at least three touches. See like this one, you have one right here, you have another touch right here, and you have another one right here. So this is a confirmed support zone. So at this point, you don't want to be selling, you want to be buying, because people in the past have proven to you that hey, this is a support zone. People tend to buy more here. And then when you come back up here, you don't want to be buying right here. Right here is the selling time, because test uh, history is telling you that hey, people have been selling and price comes to this point. And once you break the resistance, as you can see right here, once you break the resistance, okay, once you break the resistance, now it becomes support. Inakuwa sasa hapo your price in a bounce in a panel. Okay, and you can see once you broke support, the move went parabolic, and the same is gonna happen here. That's why we are saying that Bitcoin will go to 100k. This was a very strong resistance zone. Previously, support, boom, went back to the resistance zone, and now you can see the resistance zone has already been broken. So what are we expecting? We're expecting this price to, let me just use another tool right here, it's called bar. Expecting this price to go up, probably 70, 75, come back and retest. Lazima ikuje retest hii zone hapa hivi. Alafu boom, we expect it now to go to, expected it to go to 100k, okay, all the way to 100k right here. So this is what I mean by uh, this is what I mean by resistance and support zone. Is it clear? I don't know if you guys are understanding. No one is showing me some love. You don't want to share this knowledge, my people. Hamtaki kulike ndio watu wa come through. You don't want to ask any questions. You guys know everything. Should I do something else? Do you understand what I'm saying? Hmm? Guys, do you understand? Tell me you understand. Is it clear, or should I expand more on the resistance support? See, once you understand this, this is the foundation of. So when should we buy? Yeah, this is the foundation of charting. If you understand where to identify resistance and support zone, you're in a very good place. Now, you only buy on supports, okay? You only buy on such support zones. Let me just take a brush. You only buy in such a zone. You only buy in such a zone, in such a zone. This is the places you buy when price got to resistance, or when we see a dip like this. When you see a dip like this is when you buy. You only buy during dips. You never buy when the coin has pumped. See, a good example is now right now. You see right now, you don't buy right now. Bitcoin right now, buying Bitcoin right now when it's green right now, you're just setting yourself for to lose money. Okay? Thank you, Mercy. Thank you, Mercy, for understanding. I don't know if you're speaking on behalf of the rest or everyone else is understanding, but yeah. So right now, Bitcoin has already pumped. So what do you do? Do you buy? No, you don't buy right now. You wait. You wait for it to come back down and then buy. You never buy when the chart is showing you, it's telling you it's green. Never buy. This is not a good time. You see, right now, if you would have bought right here, your money would have been lost until right here, and probably you would have lost money. So, but if you bought here during this dip, boom, now you'll be in profit. Now you don't buy right now. No, wait for it. It will definitely come down, or it's gonna go up, up. and then but definitely it's gonna come down. When it comes down, it's a good buy zone. Okay. Do you recommend trading on holding? Good question. So I do both. One, I do both. I'm an investor because when you hodl, you're basically an investor, and I do trade. And the reason why I do both is because when holding is good for if you don't have time to look at the charts all the time. You have other businesses that you're doing or you're working. You don't have time to do the charting. That's when you hold, okay, and you're giving time to you're going to mature up. But if you're interested in making money on a daily basis, because when you're holding, you have to wait. See, for instance, if you bought here and you're holding, you have to wait until this coin cools off and then pumps again. Okay, but when you're trading, you can make money when market is pumping and when the market is dumping. That's the cool thing about trading. Because when you hodl, you only make money when the market goes up. So what happens? You can see a very good scenario. Let me take you back to 2017 when everything was going haywire. Okay, let me take you back to 2017. You can see here, right here, in 2017 there was a parabolic bull run, just like what we're expecting right now. And you see, um, the market goes up definitely. But what goes up must come down. So you can see the market immediately after going top, it went from $500 Bitcoin to 10,000 to 20,000. Okay, that was from December 16th to December. Jesus, from sorry, from January 2017 to December 2017, uh, moved from 500 to 20,000 Bitcoin. And after that, immediately we had a very huge crash, which was almost getting to the point where it was in July, that same. Yeah. So you can see when you are a holder, you have to sacrifice, you have to stomach this dump, and you are going to hold this coin until it dumps. Hopefully, it's never going to zero, and then definitely after dumps, it always recovers. And you can see people who bought at 500, they rode all the way to 20,000, they hodled, they never took profits, they are still now, they're even in more profit because right now Bitcoin is trading at 69,000. Okay, so if you are a long term holder for years, not months, then hodl. If you don't intend to hodl for years, you just be comfortable trading. And if you want to trade, you have to be good at charting. And that's what I'm trying to teach you right here. Because most of us don't have that luxury of holding. Probably want that money to use in something uh, else. Uh, but always invest in money that you're willing to lose. That's the number one rule. Don't invest money that you want. Uh, Unataka hiyo ndio unategemea, especially if it's the only money that you have, don't do that. But if you're not interested in holding a coin for more than 5 years, great, then trade. And how are you going to trade? You're going to trade using what I'm trying to show you right here. What I'm showing you right here is what's gonna help you trade, and it's what's gonna make you make money or lose money. Because when you buy at resistance zone, you get wrecked. Your money goes. If you bought here, like me, how I did this year, I got fucked. I lost a lot of money through I hold my coins through this and then I sold right here. When I thought now everything is gonna go to zero, and then I sold, and then what happened after selling? Boom! The market went up again. And these are the things I don't want you guys to experience because they're so painful, and it's always good to learn from experiences, but it's better to learn from other people's experiences. So, guys, do you have questions? Do you have questions on what I can expound? Because I want to go now to the next level because you are telling me that you understand what resistance and support means. So, and let me just give a quick one. You sold at 28K. No, I had not bought Bitcoin. I had actually bought Dogecoin. Let me just show you the chart. So if you want to get other coins, just come here on top. Just come here on this place where it's written BTC and then search. So I bought Dogecoin. Let me just show you. No, that's not the chart. Not the chart of Bitcoin. Okay. So I bought Dogecoin. I bought Dogecoin in April. And you can see right here. I bought Dogecoin in May, sorry, not May. I bought Dogecoin when it was 0.68 cents. It was right here. I will never forget this in my life. I bought Dogecoin right there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just have a look. I bought Dogecoin right here. That's why I bought Dogecoin. So you can see what happened to Dogecoin immediately after I bought it. Let me just expand this so that you understand what I'm talking about. Mwache kucheka. Ni serious hapa, nililose pesa na naumia sana. That's why I'm here to help you guys. I need nothing from you. The only thing I need is for you to like, for you to share so that other people can learn as well. Okay? So I bought Dogecoin right here. And then Dogecoin, since I bought Dogecoin, yaani ni kama tu ilikuwa inangoja ni buy. Hivyo tu nilibuy my friends. Ilipanda. Unaona? Ilipanda from $68 ikapanda hadi 73. And I thought I am a genius. I thought this is the easiest money I've ever made. I had put 500 USD in it. That's 50,000. I thought I am going to be a millionaire in a very short time. I don't know what made me think that. It's a friend of mine who bought me, told me to buy. He never told me it's gonna be the top. I don't know why he never told me that, but you know, it is what it is. That's how you learn. Uh, I never did my research. I just went and opened up a Binance account and bought. And that's what people are doing right now. People don't want to do their research. People just want to buy so that they can ride the pump, and they don't understand how the market works. And that's what I'm teaching you. Don't rush. Don't rush to buy, my friends. Never rush to buy. Always, always, always make sure you do your research. So I bought here, and the price tanked all the way. Guess what? I sold right here. I had remained with, I think, $100. That's uh, 10,000. So I lost 40K, and then boom. Uh, I I decided, you know what? I cannot stomach this. Everything was just red. It was just a, and you see this red continued for days, my friend. It was actually for months now because since then it is still down. Okay, I will stick to either BTC. No, no, either BTC will not make you good money. If you have millions, okay, fine, good, trade either BTC, that's fine. But you have to understand that as the Dogecoin was dumping, Bitcoin was also dumping. Because when you come back here, this is the same chart at May, from May. This is May. The same day that Bitcoin dumped this and the same day Dogecoin dumped. This is the mother. This is what controls the market. So it dumped at I don't know, it dumped 60%. Dogecoin dumped I think 80%. So that's how bad it is. So Melissa is asking, how do you allocate your capital among the securities you're trading? How do I allocate capital? I'm not sure I understand that question, but can you re-ask that question well, Melissa, if you are there? Okay, re-ask that question because I don't understand. So yeah, the whole point is that is the first step. You have to understand what we call resistance and support, and this applies to all time frames. When you come to your 24-hour, let me just uh, delete all this nonsense. When you come to the 4-hour chart, That means every candlestick represents 4 hours, and you can change even the candlestick pattern right here. This is what we call Shinaki. They look even better. Okay. When you come to the 4 hour, when you come to the 1 hour as well, you can quickly identify the support and resistance zones. And how do you mark them out? You mark them out using a rectangular tool right here. You can see right here we have our resistance zones right here. That's the resistance zone. And if you want to identify your support, just click that and then come here. Make sure we have a couple of dips to mark out as a strong support zone. So you can see here we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. And probably and that shows you it's a good. And if you go even back further, you will see that this was acting as a support zone from before. It's not something that it's the first time. I don't know why it's behaving like that. This is the problem of the free version. But yeah, this zone is a strong support zone, okay? And you can clearly see that from the price action how it's bouncing off that. And that's how you identify support and resistance zones, okay? So, and when you go, even when you change the time frame, you can see it does not change. It still acts the same. So, once you are done with support and resistance, that's the basics, right? Okay, so like allocating your capital that you have on your portfolio. Okay, so how do I allocate my capital? So, one, you have to understand that you have to know your goals. Do you want to have a long-term portfolio or a short-term? So if it's a long-term, you're looking at in the next 10 years, good, buy BTC, buy Ethereum, because chances are in the next 10 years, we're still going to have BTC, we're still going to have Ethereum. These are the two number one and two assets in the crypto market, okay? And other safer bets are these. Just come to CoinGecko, then coins. These are websites and apps that you need to have in your phone so that you can keep track of the market. So you can see all these top 10 coins. Most probably they are going to be around. I don't know about Dogecoin because it's a meme coin, but all these other coins right here, top 10 right now, probably are gonna be here in the next 5 to 10 years. So these are safe buys. So if you want to have a long-term portfolio, consider this, okay? And probably even top 20. But you know, Shiba Inu, I don't know about Shiba Inu, but yeah, consider these coins. Avalanche, I love Avalanche. Chainlink is a good coin. Terra Luna is a good coin. USD is a stable coin. Dogecoin, I don't know about that. Polkadot is a good coin. Exactly. Cardano, Solana. All these top 10, top 20 coins, these are good coins for your portfolio. So, just determine a percentage. You know, if you want a hodl portfolio to have like 30% or 50%, that's fine. But then if you want, but these are not going to make you money quickly. These are going to make you money in the long run. But if you want good money now, just come. Probably this is top 100. You can even go further and go to top 500. Okay, those are the coins. When you get to let's say when you get to these are the coins now. And you see there are over 10,000 coins, so you have to know which coins to buy and you research them first. Coins like Moonriver. Moonriver is a very nice fundamental coin built on Ethereum, scaling solution Ethereum. Very nice coin. Okay, Radium is a exchange in Solana. Very nice coin. Um, Serum is also a very nice coin in Solana. Uh, DEX as well. DYDX, that decentralized exchange, very nice coin. And you can see these are not small coins because their market cap is 1 billion. It's $1 billion market cap. So these are not small coins. These are really coins that are pumped. Okay. So how easy is it to sell a meme coin in P2P? Good. So you cannot sell meme coins on P2P, and meme coins, meme coins is just like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So I don't know if depends. Shiba Inu is on Binance, Dogecoin is on Binance, so it's very easy to sell those because there is a lot of liquidity. And liquidity, I mean, there's a lot of money in the exchanges to sell the meme coins. But these other coins, Floki, I don't know, Cat Girl, Baby Doge, whatever. Those coins, if you are if you made insane gains, might be hard to cash out. But if you just made $10,000, $1,000, $100,000, that you can cash out easily. And I will I will I will also be uh, I will also be going live and showing how to buy those coins because most of those coins are not listed on Binance. And if you are here in the last chat, in the last whatever, in the last TikTok live, I showed you how to buy coins from Binance and from your wallet. If you have not yet watched that, if you don't know about that, check out my group link in the bio. I have linked to my YouTube link for that exact uh, live show. So this is Binance, and this is my portfolio. I have $253 in this portfolio. Okay, that's around 25K. So that's ADA. Cardano is on top of the list. I needed Cardano because I wanted to buy some NFTs. So I will send this to my wallet so that I can be able to buy NFTs. So that now I can be able to come and talk about NFTs. I know a lot of people want to learn about NFTs. Okay, and here I have some Ethereum as well. So this Ethereum is written bet because I have staked it waiting for it 2.0, which will supposed to come out next year. So I cannot be able to cash out my coins. I'll just have to wait until when 2.0 will come out. I don't know if it's gonna come out anytime soon, but it is what it is. I'm never going to sell this. It's probably gonna be here until in the next 5 years. Okay, that's just PNB because this is the platform and it's very small coins. But if you want to trade, like Doge, it's very easy. Um, just come to Classic. Yeah. Then on the coins here, just search Doge or Shiba. Doge USDT. If you have some Doge, just come buy or sell. That's easy. That's very easy. But for other meme coins that are not on Binance, that's a whole other story. So before I close this up, because I can see um, people are not liking, so that means I'm boring you. People are not sharing. I don't know. It sounds like I'm boring. So it's built on the Cardano blockchain. Have a look at it. What exactly? What coin are you talking about, bro? Let's type it down. You can even request to be a guest. Let's talk about that. Okay. So I want to show you one other thing that is gonna help you. So you can see right here, I gave a signal in this. Is now my chatting. I gave a signal in my group for people to buy at 58K 62. And why did I say that? Because this was a very strong resistance zone, as you can see. But we were breaking out from this resistance zone. And when you break out from a resistance zone, that means that price is gonna go parabolic, especially if there is no other it has never been that high historically. So this was a good buy. Don't buy right now, you already missed you're too late to the party. But wait, price is definitely gonna come and retest and then go up again. So you can see you're waiting for 70 to 80K profit. When you get here, please take some profits if you got in the trade. If you did not, just wait, get a pullback, then buy. Okay? Then ultimately hoping for 100K before end of 2021. Hopefully, nothing is guaranteed. So guys, let's go back to the tutorial right here. I want to show you now something else to use in the chatting. So there's That's support and resistance. We just covered that. I want us to cover what we call trend lines. Trend lines shows you the trend. Uh, where is the market going? Is the market going down or up? Okay, you can see very clearly right here. This price is dumping. That means the trend is down. You can see this price is going up. That means the trend is trending up. Okay. So in trends, we have two types of trends. Okay. We have a bull. We have a bull trend, and we have a bear trend. This is completely for beginners. If you are not a beginner, this will not entice you at all because it's something that you know. So a bear trend is when the market is going down, okay, and a bull trend is when the market is going up. So how do you now use trend lines? Trend lines are just lines, as you see, but they help you identify a trend. So this tool right here is called the line. This is what you use now to identify trends. So for instance, right here, just take these points and place them like that. Okay. Why have I taken these points? I'm taking the lows. Okay. I'm taking the lows of this chart, then putting them all together, linking them up. What does this tell you? This tells you that this coin right here is pumping up, and the likelihood of price coming to touch the trend line is very, very high. So, for instance, if we would have drawn this trend line here, right here, without right, right there, without seeing the price, uh, how it's gonna do right here, you would have extended it. That means you would have been waiting for this price to come and touch the trend line again, so that boom, it goes. So probably if we extend this trend line right here, price somewhere somehow is gonna come and touch this trend line again, and then pump. Okay, and what happens when we are in a bearish trend? The same. So this is a good example. This is a good example. Okay. So when the price is trending down, you draw the trend line, and anytime the price comes to the trend line, you have to see price change. You can see right here it overturned, and once it breaks out that trend line, boom, it goes. Okay. I don't know if I'm explaining that well enough, but the whole point is these lines, these simple lines, when you combine these with the resistance and the support zones, you understand where the market goes. It's very nice. Okay. Yeah. So that's basically it. Uh, there's one more indicator that you need to use, which is called volume. Let me just okay. So you go to add indicators, just come here on top, and you'll see something called effects right here. Means indicators. Then you'll see a couple. Uh, in here you just type volume. Then it will give you. Just get it. Get it there. So this is the volume. This is the chart volume. Let me enlarge it so that you can see it. This is the volume chart. So what is volume? Volume is basically how much money is pumping the market. So you can see it also has fluctuations, and you can see anytime there's a red in volume, that means there's a lot of people selling in the market. Anytime there's a pump in green in the volume, that means money is coming in the market, so price is gonna pump. Anytime there's a red, you can see it's very concurrent. This time is the red, the market is down. So when the bar graphs, when these bar graphs are low right here, that means there are sellers in the market, but they are very few. Okay, but when there's this huge uh, surges in the volume when it comes to red, that's when you see these huge dumps in the market. When you see these huge pumps in the volume, you see huge pump in the market. The same right here. See this pump here is pumping this. See this pump here is pumping this right here. And that's how you understand where the market is. And this volume is a very good indicator because it helps you understand if there is people coming in the market or the market is just moving. Uh, there's no volume in the market. It's a very good indicator as well. So once you have this set for you in your trading view, these are good ways to start. Okay, these are good ways to start. Remember, always buy support. So in a trend line, this acts as support, and in a bear market, this acts as resistance. That's that's basically it. I don't know if you guys, is there a way to go get auto notification to buy? Yeah, very good question. That's what I was talking about. You see, right now, I have not yet upgraded my um, I've not yet upgraded my trading, and right here we have an option called alerts. Okay, alerts is where now you get alerted and you set the alert. Right now you can say, hey, Bitcoin right now is trading at 68. I cannot buy right now. I want to buy Bitcoin. It comes back here to 63. So alert me when it comes to 63, and you set the alert right there, and it will alert you, and probably you're going to enjoy it. Then buy. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you have to upgrade so that you can get that available to you. You have to upgrade. You have no other option. Yeah. Apart from that, there's no other way you can. You just have to check the market frequently. Anything else? Any other questions before we part? I have 5 minutes. I have 5 more minutes. Any other questions? Anyone who wants to be a guest? Any suggestions? Guys, you guys don't like what you're hearing, don't like what you're seeing because no one is liking. Okay? Alright, that's fine, that's fine, that's okay. So you guys have a lovely night. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope uh, you're not going to lose money trading because it's very easy to lose money trading. And if you're a newbie, please don't go for futures test spot. What's the YouTube channel? My YouTube is Kimani Capital, just like my name on TikTok. Just check out Kimani Capital, or just go to my bio, check out that link to the Telegram group. Then you'll see all my updates for the YouTube. This as well is gonna be on YouTube. As you can see here, I'm screen recording. So yeah, it's gonna be on YouTube as well. So yeah. Yeah, so if you've not followed me, make sure you follow. Show me some likes, please. Let other people know that we are here. Let other people learn as well. Don't be selfish. Lastly, thank you for the engagement. You have at least made me realize that someone was listening. And yeah, if you've learned a thing or two, I'm glad. That's 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 my joy. That's my joy. So, will you be in a position to advise on selling time or when price is about to be bearish? Yes, I will be here. We can never tell the top. Nobody knew that this day exactly the Bitcoin is gonna dump. Nobody knew. But the best strategy is to take profits while going up. If you bought somewhere like here, Okay, you don't wait until here. When when you make like 50%, take the profits. Let's now take your capital. Let the profits run. When you get here, take another percentage off. So even when the market drops, you're not going to feel the itch because you already took your profits. You already have money. Do you really go live daily? Yes, from today. Yeah, the lives have started today daily. It is never been before. I have been recording videos on TikTok for a month now. Lives have started today. So from today, I'll be going live daily. So be here, stick around, and yeah, guys, liking is just double tapping the screen. It's as simple as that. So if you're here watching, give me some likes, and I will feel good. That's all I ask. That's all I'm asking. Likes, okay? So guys, I can see I only have 2 minutes left. Um, I don't know if there are any other questions before we leave. Those who are entering right now, I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, we had a fantastic session. It was all about teaching you about bear trends and bull trends, identifying zones, resistance zones, and support zones. Those are the basics of technical analysis, and we'll be here now. I'll be doing actually, once we are done with the basics, we'll now be doing live technical analysis of what I'm buying and what I'm selling so that we can trade together. Basically, I'll be showing you my trades. Uh, right now, I'm not trading actively. Why? Because I have some other businesses I do during the day. And anytime you are busy doing something else, don't trade because it will affect your decisions. So they suggest Bitcoin will go up 98. Any advice on investing trend of November? Yeah, you just the best thing to buy right now is Bitcoin because it is pumping. But you can see here in my watchlist, other coins are even pumping harder. Bitcoin has pumped 1.9% today only. Luna has pumped 7%. Link has pumped 9%. So I would advise if you want to buy some good coins right now, go and buy this uh, top 10 coins. Let me just give you that before I end the show. That's a good question. See these coins right here. You can see in the past 7 days, Bitcoin has done 7.8%, Binance Coin has done 15.7%, and if you go even down, you're going to see XRP has done 16%. Most of the coins that are top 10 will outperform Bitcoin pumps. So you better be with them, and you can see others are dumping hard, like Shiba Inu has dumped 26% in the past 1 week. Terra 20%, Avalanche 33, Litecoin 43, and you can see these coins right here are pumping. So that's how you check out. That's why you need this app called Crypto Bubbles. See this app called Crypto Bubbles. It's a very nice app. You get to see what coins are pumping in that single day. You can see Raka, the first 1 week has pumped 154%. That means if you had $100, you'd have made uh, $150 in 1 week. Okay, LRC 160%, the same. In just 1 week, you have made 1.6%. In 1 month, you have made 7x your money. That means that's 7 times your money. So you just come here, check out the day, what's going on, what's pumping, and you can see this IOTX is pumping 100% in 1 day. So in just if you would have put your money yesterday in IOTX, right now you would have doubled your money just like that. Just like that. So this app helps you, really helps you into okay. Hey Marcy.
Hello,
Yeah, why are you so dark? People want to see you.
it's a bit of blurry.
Yes?
I have a question.
Yes.
Does the psychological part affect the technical analysis?
Very good question. 100%. Yeah, I mean, Um, that's why I was saying, if you are busy doing something else, trading, apart from trading, don't trade. That's why I'm not trading right now because it will affect, how you place your trades. And if you are also having a bad day or you are stressed out, don't trade because it's gonna affect your decisions in the market and probably gonna lose a lot of money. So yeah, if you feel like you're not in a good mood, don't trade. If you feel like you're busy and you got home, you're tired and you want that's the time you want to check the charts, don't be tempted. You're going to make poor decisions, rushing decisions because you're tired, your mind is tired. Yeah, so it plays a very big role. You trade yourself.
Yeah, I do.
How is your experience?
So far so good. It has been amazing. Kuna ups and downs.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Do you really make money trading?
Um, so,
Why?
I need,
Yes?
I need to work on myself first. On
Okay.
the psychological, technical part.
That means you've lost money, right?
Yeah, I am.
Yes, and yeah, I think it's important. People might be hearing from me and thinking that I am just talking, but yeah, if your psychological and perspective is not perfect, definitely you're gonna lose money trading. Okay, and Alex has insisted here, right? Like try and be someone who doesn't fall under pressure because trading inaweza inaweza chizisha msee. Yeah, it's 100% true. Inaweza kuchizisha. You just have to be very cautious with it. And yeah, I'm glad to have ladies in the house. Thank you, Melissa. Anyone else who wants to be a guest? Nitakuwa na trade na wewe copy paste kama mbaya mbaya. Yeah, that's fine, Lowski. When I get back to trading live, I will be showing my trades live. We will be trading together. Hopefully, we're gonna make money together. And if we lose money, well and good as well. Trading is you can and investing is two way. You can either lose money, make money. But the bottom line is making sure that the money that you make is way more than what you lose. Okay. So yeah, stick around. Thank you so much, Loski. You've been the most active member. Ningekuwa na gift, ningekupatia wewe. You've been the most active guy today. Thank you, Mercy and Alex for always showing support. And yeah, guys, you have a lovely night. That is it. You have something to say, Mercy?
Thank you, Alex, for hosting me. Have a lovely night too.
And next time, make sure you're in a place that there is light so that we can see you. All right. Good night.
Thank you.
Two new followers only. Well, anyway, it's okay. But at least I got 139 viewers. Wow. Leo jamaa hapa anasema he has made a lot of losses, but anaona tu itapunguza. Money. Iko nani? Hai, leo sijapika nini? Why? Ati? Dai, nilinyolewa alafu nikashika kichwa. Haitoki mshenzi. Mpaka ioshe na mara kadhaa. Hata nikiosha haitoki. Ai, 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 ai. Still live.